Creating a shelter in the woods can be a crucial skill for survivalists, hikers, or anyone who finds themselves in a situation where protection from the elements is needed. Learning how to construct a shelter can not only provide physical safety, but also a psychological boost by increasing confidence and a sense of security. First, selecting the right location is vital. Look for a spot that is dry, flat, and offers natural protection, such as under large trees or near a rock outcrop. Avoid places that are low-lying where water might collect or areas that are under dead tree limbs, which could potentially fall. After choosing a location, it's time to gather materials. Use what nature provides. Fallen branches, sticks, leaves, and even stones can be valuable resources. It is advisable not to cut live trees or branches, as it can damage the woodland ecosystem. One basic type of shelter is the lean-to. To create this, find a thick, sturdy branch to use as the main support beam and lodge it between two closely standing trees. Use additional branches, leaned at a steep angle, to create the roof. Cover these branches with leaves, grass, or any other foliage available to insulate and waterproof the shelter. Another popular design is the A-frame. This structure requires two forked branches planted firmly into the ground and a long branch laid across them to form the ridge of the structure. Lean shorter branches against the ridge on either side to form walls, and again, cover these with natural materials to provide protection against the wind and rain. Once the structure is built, adding a floor of leaves or pine needles can help keep the interior dry and provide some insulation. Always be cautious of insects or sharp objects when gathering materials. Remember, if building a fire nearby is safe and permissible, it can provide additional warmth and a means of cooking. However, never leave the fire unattended and be aware of local safety regulations to prevent wildfires. Though these techniques can help in an emergency, it's always best to leave nature as untouched as possible and dismantle any temporary structures when leaving, so others may enjoy a pristine environment.